Hey guys, what's up? It's Scudder85 back with another unboxing, and this time, as you can see, it's for Sea of Thieves on the Xbox One. So I picked this up tonight at the midnight release. So yeah, really looking forward to playing it. So that's the front, there's the side, and there's the back, and it says become a pirate legend. And basically you can read that. Really looking forward to playing this. Install size is only 20 gig. And it's going to look beautiful on the Xbox One X. I played the beta and it was great, really good. So inside we have just a disc. So yeah, that's my rather quick unboxing of Sea of Thieves on the Xbox One, guys. If you like this, please be sure to check out my other videos. But for now, guys, I'll talk to you later. Cheers, bye.